We make the family unit look good. Come and see what's happening, man.
Come on in and see what's going on. It's gates open. Spread peace and love and we gon' get along. It's gates open. It's a family thing, oh, it's a family thing. It's gates open. And we wanna share our love with you.
I guess I'm feeling real crafty today because the other day I was just sitting back thinking like, you know what, men don't really have a real go-to skin moisturizer made by men for men. And I got a little time on my hands, so it's a quick little fix, I think. So I got me some, I got coconut oil, and I got a few various essential oils. I got some lavender, I got some calamus, eucalyptus, frankincense, and the special ingredient being hyaluronic acid. This is gonna make it go. This is what's gonna really make it go. So yeah, let's just give it a shot, man. I like the coconut oil because the coconut oil hardens. And so the type of jar I'm using, it'll be easy for you to pull it out of there when it's hard. I just liquefied it so it's easy to deal with. We're gonna start with frankincense. We're gonna start with frankincense because frankincense is just like a really strong, masculine type of feel to it. And if you use the right amount, I'm telling you, it's lovely. It's lovely. Got a bunch of plastic spoons left over from the Bowery New because nobody came. But we gotta use it for something. We'll go with a little bit of calamus to offset it. See, with the frankincense, you know, you kind of jumping out the limousine, you know what I'm saying? With your lady, cameras flashing. Calamus, bring you right back to the woods, Jeremiah Johnson. That's what that's from. So you got best of both worlds. Because calamus ain't the best smell, but when you mix it with good scents, then you get a real masculine feel. Let's try, now we'll go with the eucalyptus. Yeah, see, it's cooking now. Like that. And then we gotta put just a little bit of lavender. Just a little bit of lavender, bring it all home. Ooh, yeah, see, now we talking. See, now, first thing, when they hit me, the first thing I thought was, come and talk to me, I really wanna meet you, girl. That's what I thought about.
Come and talk to me, I really wanna meet you, girl.
I heard that part. I smelled that. Come and talk to me, I really wanna meet you, girl. But you know what, if they don't pass my wife nose test, and that is one tough critic, let me tell you. Now here's the secret ingredient, I'm telling you. Get hyaluronic acid, just like anybody else. Seriously. Put a few squirts of that in there. And all you fellas got the big chest, like the, you know what I'm saying, the Cali muscle type of chest. Walk in there with this on the floor, roll it down. Melted chocolate Hershey to it. Touch, rubbing it. Talking about the hyaluronic acid, make it feel like a finger sinking in the skin. That's what she gonna say. She gonna say. That's right. All right, so now I got my scent just how I want it. It's nice. So I'm ready to color it, and for whatever reason, even though it's for men, I'm thinking like a dark purple, like almost like a deep bluish purple. I don't know why, but because I guess I'm thinking, you know, it's really masculine, but it's still like playerific masculine. You know what I'm saying? It's like we ain't trying to be too tough and burly. Trying to bring it on home. Trying to bring it on home. You know, you gotta cuddle up next to your girl. You gotta be nice to the kids. You can't be out hardcore. You know what I mean? A little bit of blue. It's not mixing.
Cause you did it wrong, Daddy.
What you gotta do?
You're supposed to keep it in there, and then when you make the scrub, you're supposed to put it in there.
I ain't making a scrub though.
Is it working?
Yes, yeah. It's time to move, Louis.
You did it wrong, Daddy.
Yeah, that's manly, baby. See, all of a sudden I done got the product finished, and guess who wanna put her nose out in my business now? She don't wanna help me at first. They wanna help me, but now I'm all done, and it looks good.
I tell you if you're doing it wrong.
If I'm doing it wrong, huh?
I tell you if you're doing it wrong.
This looks good. I like that color. Look at my color. Look at my color. See my color, like that color. Look at my elbows.
Where now? Because obviously y'all know that Daddy took the idea from me. Okay? So I'll be showing you. I'll be showing y'all how to really do it. He messed up because he tried to use a spoon.
I'm still using a spoon. I didn't mess up.
Yeah, he did. You messed up. You would have if you didn't think of the idea from me to shake it. Shake it all up. Shake it all up.
So, I finally caught up with my orders that I've been doing. Is the screen? Still is. I don't know. But, finally got caught up and I get to sit down. I get to sit in my bed. Finally get to sit in my bed. I am excited. Getting some work done. Still in the bed, but I get to be in the bed for a change. I'm gonna do some work on some business cards. Yeah. And I'm just gonna chill out. Put my legs up and just relax. You understand? Don't ask me to do nothing. Nothing. I'm not doing anything today. Okay. Figure out how to make some more money, of course. But all my website orders are done. I'm all caught up on my Etsy orders. I have some more. I'm probably gonna do some more tomorrow. I have more orders to do, but I'm just caught up as far as being behind. So yes, I'm liking this. But I'll talk with y'all later. Messi, why you bothering me? Why you bothering me, girl? She won't let me work. She always bothering. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? Get out the camera. Look, girl. Why you want to eat it? Why you want to try to come eat it for? Sit down. Come on then. What? What is it? What is it, girl? She don't want nothing. She's a bug. Tell me how much work you gonna let me get
Hi,
done.
Alexa. Show me American Girl movie.
Stop. What is going on here? I told her she could watch my TV. She done lost it. This little girl trying to eat the camera.
There's Grace. There's Isabella. There's McKenna. There's Leah. There's
So it's the next day, and I've got my Honey Nut Cheerios. Now, watch this. Watch this. That's right. Got my cereal now. We can finish. I got my Honey Nut Cheerios.
So food.
I've got my Hunty Nut. And I'm not gonna cook breakfast right now. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna finish watching Ozark. And I'll cook you some breakfast there before I leave, okay, honey? There, I'll fix you a little bit of breakfast before I leave to go pick up the tool in the AC unit for the shed there, okay? But I'm not gonna get up. I'm gonna eat my Honey Nut Cheerios there. I'm gonna finish watching Ozark there. And then gonna fix you a few patty cakes and a little sausage. And you know, maybe I'll give you a little rub down before I leave as well, okay? Thank you very much there. Where are you going, hon? You're not going anywhere. I got to go do some things.
It's 2 cars. You have to go.
Yeah, but we got 5 kids. Or 3. By that, I'm thinking about the other 2 in Oregon. Now watch this little love bug put her hands in my Cheerios there. Watch that. Watch what she's gonna do. She's gonna come over here because she sees that I have the Cheerios there. And we're not gonna let her put her hands, look at that. Can't wait to put her little paw in my Cheerios there. Well, at least put it in your mouth. Let the people see what you think it tastes like, man. At least as you stick your little fingers in my cereal. That's right. That's right. Taste it. Got more than you can chew, I see. You bit off more than you can chew.